Shockwave Jet Truck isn't your average rig. It's a fire-breathing beast armed with 3 Westinghouse jet engines, pushing a mind-bending 36,000 horsepower. Clocking top speeds of 605 kilometers per hour, this jet-powered semi leaves even some light sport aircraft in the dust. It's not racing other trucks, its real rival is aerodynamic drag. Shockwave's iconic run, 402 meters in just 6.63 seconds, a record that still stands. Though tragedy struck in 2022 when driver Chris Darnell lost his life in a crash, the spirit of Shockwave wasn't silenced. Its legacy roars on through its successor, the Super Shockwave, built on a 1957 Chevy chassis. This next-gen jet truck continues to captivate crowds and push boundaries. More than a machine, Shockwave represents the idea that limits are often just illusions, and speed is a state of mind. Prospector, a mechanical beast forged for speed on Australia's salt flats. Created by speed junkie Rob Waters, this monster machine is powered by a 13-liter Caterpillar engine ripped from a dump truck and juiced up to deliver 1,500 horsepower. Mounted just behind the cab for better balance, the engine works in harmony with a high-performance Borg-Warner turbocharger that pushes insane boost levels, enough to make those towering chrome stacks howl. And the fuel tank? It's a polished beer keg. That's Aussie ingenuity with a wink. Built in only 5 months, the Prospector blazed across Lake Gidner's salt at a staggering 228 kilometers per hour, earning the national record for a modified diesel truck. When a rig breaks 200, it stops being a truck, it becomes pure engineering bravado. THOR 24, an engineering monster that dwarfs regular rigs. Underneath its chrome-plated skin lies a twin Detroit diesel setup, merged into an earth-shaking 24-cylinder engine. Fueled by a jaw-dropping 12 superchargers, this beast unleashes 3,424 horsepower. One of its most insane components? A custom drive shaft that's 2.6 meters long, weighs 120 kilograms, and looks more like sculpture than machinery. Stretching 13.4 meters and tipping the scales at 13.6 tons, THOR 24 required serious upgrades, like air suspension and 4 braking parachutes, because traditional braking systems just aren't enough. Even the details dazzle, from its polished transmission to the mirror-finished exhausts, every inch gleams. As wild as THOR 24 is, its creator isn't done. He's already crafting a successor named Medusa, promising even more madness. And honestly, we're here for it. DHABIYAN, a 24-ton monster that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi film and into the desert. Underneath its massive frame roars a 15.2-liter Caterpillar diesel engine pumping out 600 horsepower, the kind usually powering heavy-duty bulldozers. This isn't just a ride, it's a rolling spectacle. While others crawl, the DHABIYAN floats over dunes, devouring sand and diesel like it was built for another planet. Yes, critics complain about its awful visibility and how it makes zero practical sense. But this machine was never meant for traffic lights and parking garages. It was built for the dreamers, the kind of person who sees a crazy idea and says, "Let's make it real." Whether it's insane or genius is up for debate, but one thing's certain, you'll never forget the moment DHABIYAN rolls by. Foolish Pleasure isn't just a name, it's a warning. At first glance, this immaculate Kenworth W900 looks like a showroom queen in flawless white paint. But beneath that clean exterior rumbles something wicked, a snarling Caterpillar 3406E engine. In standard mode, it hums along with a healthy 700 horsepower. Flip it to race mode, though, and the dyno nearly gives up trying to measure the raw, chaotic surge. Tires erupt in smoke, fire spits from the stacks, and fans scream like it's a rock concert. This beast is bred for uphill drag races, trailer or not, storming events across the country. Wherever it goes, it leaves scorched pavement and stunned silence, except for the eco-warriors, who reportedly shed a quiet tear every time it lights up the hill. A clean face with a dirty soul, foolish pleasure is all power, no apologies. Murder Pete doesn't just drive, it dominates. With twin 25cm exhaust stacks that roar like a beast unleashed, this truck sounds as mean as it looks. The skull bolted to the front grille isn't just for show, it's a warning. Step aside or get swallowed whole. Beneath the intimidating exterior, Murder Pete is built on a Peterbilt 379 chassis and powered by a monstrous engine paired with an 18-speed transmission, making every gear shift feel like a battle cry. Inside the cab, the vibe is just as serious. Low-profile legacy seats wrapped in a mix of cloth and leather offer comfort with an edge. But the real punch? A 3,600-watt sound system with 4 subwoofers that don't just play music, they shake the pavement. It's not just a ride, it's a rolling, thunderous statement. Murder Pete turns highways into arenas and delivers a brutal mix of power, style, and attitude that's impossible to ignore. Chimera isn't your average showpiece, it's a thunderous machine built for pure performance. With a jaw-dropping 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 4.6 seconds, this beast leaves even some top-tier sports cars struggling to keep pace. At its core lies the Scania V8 engine, enhanced with 6 turbochargers, pumping out an insane 1,460 horsepower. It doesn't just perform, it commands attention. Visually, the engine looks more like a sci-fi masterpiece than something you'd find under a truck's hood, gleaming, chrome-plated, and aggressively sculpted. It's practically screaming to be displayed in a modern art gallery. Making its track debut behind the wheel was none other than Teresa Wendell, one of the rare female test drivers in heavy trucking, a move that adds even more character and edge to this already legendary machine. Chimera is not just a truck, it's a mechanical statement, a fierce fusion of design, power, and innovation. Walt Moss Trucking, a haven for custom vehicle dreams. Walt, a bold engineer with an eye for the unconventional, has filled his workshop with one-of-a-kind builds, from revamped 1959 school buses to hybrid oddities no one else would dare to imagine. But the crown jewel? A beastly 4-wheel semi-truck with an astonishing 1,000 horsepower engine. This monster isn't just for show, it hits speeds of up to 210 km/h while maintaining the utility of a real working truck. It moves like a machine from the future but hauls like the past never left. Moss doesn't merely tweak vehicles, he redefines them, turning raw machinery into rolling mechanical masterpieces. His next invention remains a tightly kept secret, but if history's any indication, it'll rewrite what we think is possible behind the wheel. One thing's for sure, it won't go unnoticed in the spectator lane. Scott Bloomquist Race Car Hauler. When it comes to traveling in style, legendary dirt track icon Scott Bloomquist doesn't just show up, he arrives. His custom race car hauler, crafted by Turnkey Industries in Texas, is far more than just a means of transportation. Nicknamed the Black Palace on wheels, this beast hauls not only his famous number 0 race car but also his entire team in rockstar-level comfort. Inspired by his dominant track presence, the exterior design mirrors his aggressive race style, while inside, it's pure luxury. You'll find a plush sleeper sofa, a full bar, a top-tier sound system, and glowing neon lights that bring the party to life. It's part RV, part mobile lounge, and 100% Scott Bloomquist. Built for cross-country travel, post-race celebrations, or just cruising in style, this hauler is what road trip dreams are made of. Could you see yourself rolling down the highway in this kind of machine? Volvo Iron Knight. A Swedish dragster-style diesel truck that has stunned the motorsport world by leaving many sports cars far behind. Holding the official FIA world speed record for trucks, this beast accelerated through 1,000 meters in an incredible 21.29 seconds and covered 500 meters in just 13.71 seconds. Its top recorded speed clocks in at a staggering 276 kilometers per hour. Despite its massive presence, it weighs only about 4.5 tons, thanks to a lightweight plastic body that keeps it nimble. The truck's exhaust system roars like a rocket launch, making it a spectacle to behold. Aerodynamic enhancements and air ducts give the Iron Knight a futuristic look, setting it apart from any other truck on the planet. With this design and power, it's not hard to imagine it breaking its own speed records in the future. Joint venture Freightliner. Across the expansive, shimmering salt flats of Bonneville, speed has always been a thrilling spectacle, but even in this realm of velocity and adrenaline, one vehicle stands out as a true marvel, a 10-ton Freightliner that commands awe and respect like no other machine on these plains. This incredible truck is not just any ordinary heavy-duty vehicle, it is a remarkable fusion of state-of-the-art aviation technology combined with the raw, relentless power of locomotive engineering. At its beating heart, it houses a colossal 16-cylinder MTU engine, the very same powerhouse typically found driving massive trains across continents. This is no exaggeration or mere figure of speech. The rig's turbocharged locomotive engine generates an astounding 5,700 horsepower, pushing the boundaries of what diesel engines can achieve. Just one look at its billowing, steam train style exhaust is enough to captivate anyone lucky enough to witness it firsthand. Rust2Rodz Peterbilt. The name behind this stunning rebuild, Jamie Johnson took a 1955 Peterbilt found in a junkyard and transformed it into a road-ready masterpiece called Giddy Up. Every outer bolt was replaced by hand, and the body features diamond-patented aluminum panels. Sitting on a custom 6-meter frame, it's powered by a 24-valve Cummins engine from a 2002 Dodge, paired with a unique stainless steel piping setup. Inside, the cabin surprises with heated long-haul seats, triple-layer sound insulation, and elegant cherrywood flooring. Outside, custom 60cm wheels and snap-on side skirts let Jamie switch up the style quickly. But this truck isn't just for show, it hauls classic cars and even horses, proving that Jamie's creation is both a functional workhorse and a piece of rolling art. Wicked Intent Semi. Doesn't just roll down the street, it dominates it like a steel-clad warlord from a dystopian future. With chains, spikes, deep black paint, and gothic details, this custom rig looks straight out of Mad Max. Even its windows are tinted like it's hiding something dangerous. Massive mud flaps swing like capes as it moves, and every inch of this beast is dripping with dark attitude. Built not just to turn heads, but to leave jaws on the floor, this mechanical monster is both art and engine, roaring with precision power. In Philadelphia, when Wicked Intent shows up, traffic doesn't just slow, it halts. Drivers stare. Phones come out. It's not transportation, it's performance. A stage on wheels where raw horsepower and bold imagination collide. This is more than a truck, it's a warning, a statement, and a legend in motion. HELLFIRE. A former 1995 Freightliner turned fire-breathing showstopper, now stealing the spotlight across North America. Mounted atop this monster is a General Electric J79 jet engine, straight from an F-4 Phantom fighter, cranking out an earth-shaking 18,000 horsepower. Blink, and it's gone, hitting speeds of 300 kilometers per hour in the blink of a scorched eyelash. Its exhaust roars with a 23-meter flame, lighting up the sky and melting the air. It doesn't sip fuel, it devours it, probably burning through a barrel of jet fuel just to make it to the end of the runway. When an oil baron dreams up an off-road machine, you don't get a truck, you get a spectacle. Happy Toyz. If you're a fan of Maximum Overdrive, then seeing the infamous Happy Toyz truck in person is an unforgettable experience. At the Carlisle Truck Nationals, a full-blown replica of the menacing rig, with that wicked green goblin face on the front, stole the entire show. When night fell, the truck transformed into a spectacle of lights, pulsing LEDs synced perfectly with pounding music. The goblin's glowing eyes and grinning face made it feel like it might lunge off the hood at any second. But this beast wasn't just about the visuals. Underneath the hood roared an old-school Detroit diesel two-stroke engine, and when it fired up, the raw sound was enough to stop you in your tracks. Even veteran truckers turned to look. Every inch of the build paid tribute to the original movie monster, right down to the smallest bolts and paintwork. So if you're ever cruising and hear the growl behind you, don't look back. The Green Goblin might be coming.